Good morning. It is Saturday. Today is the Southern game versus JSU. We better win. We don't got no choice but to win. Chyna is here. Here go Chyna. So Chyna help me find something to wear. So I'm up and dressed, and I'm finna brush my teeth, and yeah, but I'm dressed though. All right, y'all, so we dressed and ready. I'm with the homegirls. Yeah. We waiting on the boys, you know. It always take the boys so long to come out of Dixon. Like, Dixon is a 5-star resort or something, but they giving out free shirts, so. Yo, we got Chyna in the cut. Yeah. Come on, give me this. You just out in the open. What Elise at?
Hold on, Chyna. She cute.
You vlogging? Hey, vlog. You think I'm Elise?
Her. Sound like boom by the south. Y'all, did a nigga lost hella weight. Tariq.
Yeah.
Hey, Tariq, you lost hella weight.
Hell no.
Bro, I see you from over there. I'm like, damn, that nigga skinny as hell. Look at his legs, y'all.
Video.
He's bad. Yeah, you already know what the vibes is. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the little gay thing. Yeah.
I did, but I forgot it. I see you like, okay, I got you.
We made it, y'all. We got on our little shirt. Everybody got their little shirt.
She got on her shirt?
Why you ain't got on your shirt? Okay. But yeah, Tariq never got a their shirt.
Jackson State University, strike boom of the foul.
Boom! Yeah! Boom! What is that? What is that? You know, it's not a boom.
That is the move. That's it. That's cool. I watched that
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. University.
Okay, hey guys, it's Nevaehia. I'm taking over for this part of the vlog because, you know, Nisha said yeah. So, first I'm going to show y'all my outfit because I really do got that shit on. Yeah, but we at the football game, they made us so mad. They lost 2 times in a row. The score is like 14-34, some shit like that. Pathetic though. But hey, I still believe.
No, my bad, I'm sorry.
But now we had got Wendy's, and then we went to our room to regroup, and now we finna go to a kickback, and yeah.
Okay, y'all. So it's after the party. We back in Chyna room, and I'm eating some cereal. I'm eating Frosted Flakes. It is so motherfucking good, y'all. Like, the party was okay. That motherfucker was packed. Okay, y'all. So I didn't woke up and everything. It's like later on, like I've been in the bed this whole time, just enjoying life. I've been on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. I've been chilling. And I'm finna take a shower. I gotta find something to wear. Y'all, it's Sunday, so it's like officially homecoming weeks. But y'all went to a bonfire Friday. So, yeah. I'm gonna put some clips in right here, but y'all. Yeah, I didn't vlog the bonfire, but I should have. It was tea. It was my first bonfire. Follow me on Instagram if you don't, because you missed it. Let's go, guys. Period. So, hey, y'all. So, I'm back, and I cleaned my room, showered, got dressed, all that, as you can see. But happy Easter, though, because I did not tell y'all that in the beginning. Today's Easter, so happy Easter. I got on some leggings, and I got on some blue Crocs. But yeah, it ain't no drip, but you know, it's cute. I'm cute today. So y'all, right now we at Wendy's. We got Chyna, we got Nevaehia. I can't believe it. Alright, y'all. So we at the Juicy Crab. We go to Lee and Nevaehia. Chyna not with us right now, nor is Paul, but yeah. And let's have it. So yeah. That thing bigger than her head. And then this 24 right here. Okay, guys, so I'm back in my room. It's 12. We finna shut it down for the night and start back fresh tomorrow. My bed looks so comfortable. Oh, I can't wait to hop in it. So, what's up, y'all? I guess one thing they gonna do is mow this damn lawn. Anyway, it's Monday. I woke up at like 11 something when Chyna came up to my room and woke me up. So hopefully Redix is open so I can go get my shit.
Welcome to Arnisha Ashan vlog.
We head to the student center right now. We running low on Tiger books, y'all.
Tariq ass was not registered. He be getting big ass meals, and he spent all our Tiger bucks. So yeah.
And I said, you better shut that shit up, mamas. So y'all, we in the bookstore. Nevaehia. So yeah, we in the beauty supply.
Damn, they be tweaking.
Hell no.
They be cutting up. You see this? Come here, Nisha. Look. First of all, the lace is damn near dark brown. It's only 24 inches. It's a 4x4 closure.
Right.
And guess how much it is?
How much?
Girl, $269.98.
Hell no. Let's get what we came to get and let's go. We done with the beauty supply. And we finna go back to the student center.
Hey y'all. We waiting for Tariq. I calling him. He not answering.
Oh, you calling him?
Mm-hmm. You was calling too? Yeah. You still not gonna answer.
It's too hot.
Hurry up.
Okay, Little Red Riding Hood.
He always trying to go on somebody.
He's making noise. I tell you that, that's karma. He did somebody caught the board.
We're looking live. So, what's up, y'all? I don't know where I left off at, but we were at the student center eating. From there, so we all went back to our rooms and stuff like that. I had to go get some work done. I had hella bio labs to do, so I did those. And I had 2 quizzes to do too, and I did one of those. I'm gonna do the other one when I get back. I'm on my way to Reddix. So when I get back from Reddix, then I'm gonna do that last test. But I need to go before it closes, because I think Reddix closed at like 4 or 5. So got my package from Reddix. You want me to take you to the door?
No, it's fine. I can walk.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Nisha.
Okay, bye, love. But yeah, here's for the get whipped and flipped house. Don't get mad at the bag. And I said what I said. VIP parking hoes. Chyna don't like her car parked any type of way, child. So I be trying to park it right. Okay, y'all, let's go.
6 hours later.
Okay, y'all, so we in Chyna room. Watching Grey's Anatomy. I'm making some noodles. I put on my wig. Good morning, y'all. It is 11 something. And today, we're going to get COVID tested. This how the hell look. Okay, y'all, so it is 1:29 and we're finna go get our COVID test for these events. It's 6:45 and we in the cab. They go Chyna and Nevaehia and Elise.
What's good, y'all? Y'all can go follow my YouTube, like Key TV, you know, nothing too major. Yeah, I ain't been really recording though, but I'm gonna get there with y'all. People tattoo. This is my favorite tattoo. I'll beat you up. You lucky on this vlog. Y'all see the tattoos. This my favorite one right here. And then I got this one. And then I got this one, Long Live My Uncle. If you talking about. Then I got that one. I don't feel like showing y'all that. Then I got that on my lid. You know, nothing too major. These should come up sooner or later.
They got whole pints of ice cream. Mine was so good. Hey. You fucked up.
That's where the real bad niggas came from.
So hey y'all, it is 12:38, midnight. I'm finna hop in the shower, y'all. I put on some press-on nails. Don't really like them. I mean, I did them nice, but it's just how they look on my nails. Like, I don't know. We went to go get COVID testing. The whole gang tested negative. You already know the vibes. Come on now. And that's really all that we did. We didn't do much. Today was really like a not doing anything day. Like, that's why I literally don't have any footage from today. Tomorrow's gonna be tea. Tomorrow is the Ox Core Wars. Of course, I'm gonna vlog that for y'all. So, y'all, I'm with the gang in the mall. What was you thinking? So right now, we're gonna go to Walmart and Rainbow. So y'all, we in Walmart right now. We got lawn chairs. Well, they got lawn chairs because at these outside functions, you be wanting to sit down, but you can't sit down. We here to give me some pajamas because it's a pajama party tomorrow, but y'all gonna see that in part 2 because today is the last day for part 1. So yeah, we just shopping. Took off my nails because I'm getting them done tomorrow. So I'm with the homegirl. You already know what the vibes is.
Let me take over.
Okay.
So, you know, we at Walmart, and tomorrow is a pajama party. So, you know, we have to freak my girl out. Hold it up for them so they can see you. See you. Freak them, freak them, freak them. Yeah. Freak them, freak them, freak them. Like, so cute. So cute. Like,
I'm gonna shake hella ass.
Hella ass. You see that robe? Give me very much Dubai. Very much so vacation. Very much
don't
so,
even know how to spell Dubai.
Period. Very much so freaker. Like Nisha said, part 2 gonna be so good. Part 2 got party, back to back to back.
So listen, he already gave you the 100. Don't turn the curve.
No, y'all play that song.
No.
Play it.
I want y'all to turn us up. I'm saying don't disappoint us.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Drop it.
They're not gonna disappoint.
Jackson State, what's up? Hood, rich.
High class street music.
High class street music.
Who know it?
Yeah.
Who know it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
With deep, cause they shady. They just wanna have my baby. Born in the 80s. My mama, she was better when they get jammed. Same nigga that you break your neck for. Be the same nigga that crush you out and wet you up. Supposed to be chasing money, but they chasing bitches. Real bosses don't talk, we just sit back and listen. Stack that paper up and DMA.
Hitman, you gonna kick it?
They want me to leave, or I can stay.
Y'all want Hitman to leave? Y'all want him to stay?
Come on, let's
Who cookout music?
It's time for the percolator.
I like it.
It's time for the percolator.
Okay.
Period, y'all. We done with Oscar Wars. That motherfucker was lit. It was tea. It's 10:22 and we done with Oscar Wars. And this is the end of part 1. And tomorrow start part 2. As y'all can see, Oscar Wars is lit. You know, my friends shook that bitch. They in the back, you know, celebrities. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell so y'all get notified every time I post a video. And we'll see y'all in part 2.